With information comes knowledge. With knowledge comes understanding. And the more we understand about what happens to products on their journey through the supply chain, the more we can streamline operations and improve efficiency. It was this quest for better understanding that propelled Chep to become a pioneer in the field of radio frequency identification technology and its applications in the supply chain. The journey began in 1998 with Chep's team of RFID experts researching and developing systems for obtaining better supply chain information. They tagged more than 250,000 pallets and tracked them in numerous field trials. The research included testing state-of-the-art radio frequency tagging devices, scanning equipment, and data collection software, and collaborating with other companies interested in finding ways to integrate RFID into their operations. Our team's efforts culminated in the development of Plus ID, a service offer that provides a Chep standard reliable pallet tagged with an RFID chip and a support structure that enables Chep customers to take advantage of the many benefits that RFID delivers. Chep believes that the true value of RFID comes from the sharing of information by all of the participants in the supply chain. To demonstrate how Plus ID enables this comprehensive information sharing, Chep developed a live supply chain simulation inside Chep's Innovation Center, an industry-leading development and validation facility where pallets and containers of all types undergo development, testing, and evaluation. It's a simulation that incorporates the efforts of many leading software and equipment providers. First, the Plus ID pallet is fitted with an RFID tag which bears its own electronic products code, or EPC, and it's tuned for optimum reception and positioned to minimize damage from forklift times. The tags have been designed to withstand a wide range of temperature and environmental conditions, and each tag is thoroughly tested to ensure it's read capable when it leaves the Chep Service Center. The RFID simulation begins with a Chep Plus ID pallet leaving our service center. As the pallet exits the Chep Service Center, it passes through a dock door equipped with RFID scanners that read each pallet's electronic product code, enabling Chep to uniquely identify every pallet being issued. A software system connected to the dock door scanners collects the identification number assigned to each pallet as it leaves the facility. Now, this unique information is collected and may be sent electronically to a centralized data repository within the EPC network, where it can be shared with authorized participants. As the supply chain simulation continues, we follow the pallet as it arrives at a manufacturer's facility, where it will be loaded with their product. As the inbound pallet arrives, each pallet's identification code is scanned into the manufacturer's software system. The customer now has an exact record of the number of pallets that have arrived, as well as each pallet's code. Now the empty pallets are ready to be loaded with product. As a customer loads the pallet, the system associates the pallet with either the individual product's case tags or the barcodes, creating a unit load that can be easily identified by the pallet's electronic product code. When the pallet unit load is ready to leave the manufacturer, it passes by outbound scanners and the unit load information is captured by the system. By quickly reading the pallet's electronic product code, the scanners communicate with the system, and the company now knows exactly what product left the facility and how much time the pallet unit load spent at the facility location before shipping. At the same time, a dispatch advice or advanced shipment notification is transmitted from the shipper to the receiver. Continuing through the supply chain, the tagged unit load reaches a retailer or distributor. As the inbound unit load arrives, the pallet's RFID tag is scanned and the product information associated with the pallet's EPC is collected into the retailer or distributor's software system. In addition, a receipt notification may be automatically transmitted back to the shipper. As the empty pallets leave the retailer or distributor, the pallets pass by scanners that again record the pallet's EPC. The empty Plus ID pallets are returned to the Chep Service Center, where they pass by scanning equipment that allows Chep to recognize the pallet's return. The pallet's arrival at Chep signals the end of the supply chain. The pallet undergoes inspection and, if necessary, repair before being reissued to a Chep customer for use again. Chep plays a leading role in developing and providing pallet and container solutions that will shape the future. And Chep continues to work with strategic partners around the world on the standardization process for supply chain applications of RFID technology. Incorporating radio frequency identification will help all companies improve tracking and tracing of inventory, streamline processes, and improve operating efficiencies. Chep uses this information to understand how long a pallet has spent in the supply chain. Sharing information with our customers enables us to better understand their needs, helping us in our continuing efforts to improve the products and services that we deliver. To learn more about Chep Standard and our Plus services or the Innovation Center, please visit our website at www.chep.com.